is cute. Too tall. You gotta go like this. So what are we doing today?
First and foremost, we gotta do our farm chores. It's a good day today, special day today. Finishing the garden.
Planting?
No, that's tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Cows deliver.
Special delivery.
Special delivery. Got a lot of different assets we own together, and this is just another one. You know, something light. That's how we flip it. I'm just getting started live now. Let's get to it. All this filming shit. Let's get to this work, man.
Where are the cows gonna go?
That's where the cows gonna go. So if you're talking real grass fed, real organic, right? They gonna be in here. They gonna graze. Once this get down enough, then we gonna rotate them over here, and then we gonna rotate them between these two pastures. Pastures in the back for the sheep.
Let's look at some of the chickens. Eggs, fresh eggs, organic eggs.
This one in here, she lays her eggs and sits on them. Oh, brother! Look at the man.
She's guarding her eggs. She's not letting them go. What's the difference between these chickens and these chickens? Let everybody know.
These chickens is just older, right? These chickens is like teenagers. They got about another month or so before they laying eggs. Gonna lay different color eggs, light blue Easter color eggs, dark chocolate eggs. Just fill this up.
Okay. Gonna go green, that's cute. I'm coming. Can we do this? Baby, ready.
Farming 101. You got to have a goddess and a queen on the farm.
Aww.
Giving that good feminine energy. When she come out here, she take care of animals, love them. She always want to give them fucking treats and shit. All Then every time she come out, they all flock to her because she want to give them fucking treats and kisses and shit. Aww. I don't give them no motherfucking treat unless they motherfucking deserve it.
Shut up. You guys need some loving too. Yeah. It's okay. I'll give you a treat.
These are meat chickens. Right,
oh no!
One of them just died.
Oh man!
Here is what we call regenerative agriculture, right? The chickens, we get to move them every few days, and they get new grass, fresh bugs, their natural diet. Right, then we just throw some grain in there and some water. But as we move them and they get fresh grass, they're not like laying in their shit, right? You got the dead body in there, so this is a movable coop, which they're gonna start getting out in the back when I move. What I'm learning is the soil loves things that decompose. Is healthy for the soil. Any animal, anything that breathes, that lives when it dies and decomposes, is healthy and good for the soil. Which then in turn helps the living. It's the cycle. Everything we eat mostly comes from the soil. Everything comes from the soil, everything returns to the soil. I mean, y'all game in this month. Hey, we giving them money. Hey, we charging for this game. You gotta charge for this game.
Little guy.
Oh! Don't kill chicken. I like my chickens alive. You heard of Popeyes?
Cows are here. I should have had the cash on me so I could show you guys them pulling up. Now let's go. They're so cute. Where are you going?
Yeah, look at mine.
Scare them.
My fault. They gonna be scared on the first day.
Oh no, maybe.
Oh, they might give them some of that good goddess energy.
Have some grain.
They might come up.
buggy.
The buggy.
A story time.
What story you got for us?
The first time, I think it was the first time I came over. One of the first times I came over. Me for a ride on the buggy, and the thing flew up and cracked this windshield.
Yeah, I'm trying to show out.
And it's still cracked.
And go fast and shit.
And the hood flew up and hit the glass and it cracked. And it was so scary.
Conversation started about, you know, being self-sufficient, gardening and all of that. That conversation is real life. Garden. She motivated me to do a garden. What she doing in the garden? What we doing in the garden?
Both doing the garden.
Shout out to Kathy, man. Shout out to Big Cat.
That's my mom. So, took a little buggy ride over to the garden. This is where it's gonna start. We back.
My gardening hat. Started with the garden. What we got? Tomatoes, potatoes,
Peppers,
fruit. We're gonna get some
beans.
pear tree. We got an apple tree back there. We eat apples on. This all hay back here. This is hay for the winter. So I had to till this up.
Oh man, so much we could do.
Under the soil. And then I had to get some compost delivered. You know what I mean? This is good rich soil. You know what I mean? Good nutrients in here. Good micronutrients, macronutrients. What else makes compost? Scraps from the
Chicken poop,
eggshells,
organic banana peels, chicken poop. It's nasty, but
the goal is to grow.
It's natural fertilizer.
The goal is to grow everything we consume. Everything we consume.
This is the garden bed that my baby built.
Yes.
Built for me.
My hands for you personally.
It's huge. Look at it. So we can plant lots of stuff in here.
Paint your name on there.
You do. We're gonna flip this down tomorrow. Are we getting our planting stuff ready and then?
Do we want to flip this just onto the dirt or just flip it back and then just throw cardboard on top and fill it up? Because then that leaves us this whole thing to plant rather than this just taking unnecessary space.
Right.
So what we have to do is flip this. We have to go get some cardboard with no ink on there. Some wood sticks and shit on top of that. And then we can do some grass clippings, and then we can create our own soil, or we can go get some potting soil. But I think if we want to create our own soil, we gotta go get tarp. I think it was 2 bags of manure compost, some perlite, and some peat moss. We need to eat, and then we need to go to the store because we gotta shovel this and just spread it across. And like the Chipotle.
Yeah.
Oh, that's too far.
No, we can go to Chipotle.
All right, come on.
We should take the top off the Jeep. Take the Jeep. Giving Jeep weather. Go to Chipotle, get some lunch, and then finish the rest of the day. We'll be back. Woo! Gardening all summer 2024. Get with it or get lost. This is what we've been working on. Sticks and dirt and compost on top of there. And that'll be the start of our garden bed. He's about to go grab some wood. I'm gonna put the camera up because it's about to overheat. We realized that it's way too much dirt and too much land to just sit and try to do it with a shovel. So neighbor said that he happily come over and help us, so we're super thankful for that. He's gonna come over with his tractor and spread all this dirt out with his tractor, because ain't no way we're gonna be able to do all this with his shovels. So now we can start planting tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
More order. You know, this line is this whole rather than Anyway, that's a wrap. Day one at the Baja, you already know.
My tailbone.
We out of here.